Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. What happens if you neglect fibroids? Remember, although fibroids is not a life-threatening process, you have to remember that fibroids can have a bad prognosis. If they are not taken care enough, they can have the hormonal fluctuations can happen because of fibroids, and also hormonal fluctuations can create fibroids also. So the cycle, there can develop other diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, they can develop ovarian cysts, they can develop polycystic ovaries, they can develop severe dysmenorrhea. So the diseases can, pair up also. And apart from that, the fibroid can grow larger in size where you have to have a hysterectomy done or an abdominal incision done. And also, if you're not taking care of your fibroids, because of prolonged bleeding, you can have severe drop in your blood levels, which can lead into or go into a blood transfusion phase. So do not neglect your fibroid when you're having a treatment which is very effective in nature, like homeopathy. Someone who's suffering from fibroids or adenomyosis or endometriosis, dysmenorrhea, polycystic ovaries or ovarian cysts, or any female reproductive organ diseases, remember that Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two types of consultations. If you're someone who's staying very near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person and take doctor consultation. If you're someone who's staying very far away from us, you can take online consultation. In online consultation, we have audio consultation option as well as video consultation option here. And after the doctor consultation, if you need any sort of investigations, we will be asking you, and if you already have done the investigations, you can share it with us. After taking your case and after evaluating your investigations, especially for online clients, we will be delivering you our medicines to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Anywhere else across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, ping us a message. If you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, dysmenorrhea, ovarian cyst or polycystic ovaries, or any other female reproductive organ diseases like even infertility, why should you choose Fidelis Homeopathy? Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we strictly follow 3 principles. First one is our highest success rate. We are having good success rate in already treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Second is a transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third one is personal care. Personal care here at Fidelis is top notch because we will be answering you and educating you on all your queries. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure for your diseases, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.